Welcome back, everyone. You may have an issue with your Snapchat account where for some reason you are locked out of your account. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. It's not a big deal. All you have to do really is make your way over to your internet browser. It's totally okay. And you want to go on Google and you want to type in something like Snapchat locked account. Now, I totally butchered the spelling, but you want to come into this official support page from Snapchat, which says my account is locked. So what you want to do is you want to go here and you can read through it, but technically this is sometimes a temporarily locked account. You just need to unlock it. Sometimes Snapchat does these things where they lock your account, and it's just very weird. Unless you were going against their terms of service or many people reported you. If many people reported you and you went against their terms of service like crazy, then you're probably not going to get your account back. But if you're a normal person and you just somehow just came across this, then what you want to do is right here it says unlock your account by going here, and there's a hyperlink. So you just want to go and click there, and it's going to allow you to come into this page. It may also tell you to sign in. I've already signed in, so I probably don't have to do it again. But there's going to be a little option that says unlock my account. Now, what does that mean? Well, essentially, you're going to have the ability of unlocking your account on Snapchat. So all you want to do is click on unlock my account. It may tell you to log in just like I'm doing. So you want to go ahead and type in your information. And at this point, you will come into this page. So now all you have to do is go ahead and read through this carefully. It says, if you noticed a message saying that your Snapchat account has been temporarily locked, yada, yada, yada. All you have to do is go ahead and click on I'm not a robot, and you want to fill out this CAPTCHA, and you want to click that unlock button. And that's really all you have to do. Now, the biggest thing to keep in mind is that you want to make sure you're on the official Snapchat page. This says accounts.snapchat.com. You are on the official page. If you're on any other page, if it looks like a spammy page or whatever, please be careful of typing in your password and username on those weird pages. And this one, official page, so you'll be good. And here you can go and fill this out, and you should be good to go for the most part. And as long as you click on unlock, you will pretty much be set. So that's pretty much the process. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.